Hey foodies, welcome to Cooking Shooking. The festival of colors is all here. Happy Holi to you all. So today we're going to stir up some colorful and very basic mocktails. So let us start. These are basic for sure, but they are super delicious in taste. So we're going to start up by making the kiwi mojito. So I'm going to add in about one roughly chopped kiwi to this. Next I'm going to add in about 2 lemon wedges and a couple of mint leaves. So I'm going to muddle it. This is already smelling refreshing and delicious. So now I'm going to transfer it to a glass. I'm going to next add in about a tablespoon and a half of this sugar syrup. You can add a couple more pieces of this kiwi, chopped kiwi if you wish to. So this is ready for ice and the sparkling water. I'm going to add in some ice cubes to the mojito glass. A couple of mint leaves, and we're going to finish it off with some sparkling water. Next up we have strawberry sherbet. For this we will need a strawberry syrup. To make the syrup you will need to start by heating up a pan, and we are going to add in about half a cup of chopped berries. Here I am using frozen strawberries. You can also use any other berries if you wish to. Then we are going to add in about 1.5 cups of water, 1.5 teaspoons of lemon juice, half a cup of sugar. And now we are going to stir and bring this to a boil. After it gets a boil, we are going to continuously stir it, and we are going to make sure it remains at a constant boil, and we are going to cook this until it's thick. All we are looking for is a syrupy kind of consistency, and after it is thick and most of the strawberries are kind of mashed, just take a little bit of the syrup in a bowl, let it cool down, and then test it just as we test our sugar syrup. If it gets slight thread, then it is ready. So now we are going to pass it through a sieve and get a spatula and make sure you press down really well, and we want to make sure all the bits and pieces are strained, only the seeds should remain up. Just wait for it to cool down completely, and you can use it in a strawberry sherbet or any other recipe if you wish for. This makes for a good ice cream topping as well. For the strawberry sherbet, we are going to take a little bit of crushed ice. And we are going to add in our syrup. I am going to add in water now. Feast to the eyes, isn't it? I am going to add in a little bit of sabja seeds. So now we are going to make the black grape soda. So I am going to take a little bit of this black grape juice, about a teaspoon of lemon juice, about half a tablespoon of sugar syrup. I am going to add in a little bit of this cumin powder and black salt. Ready for the ice and sparkling water. So here I have black grape soda on the line. Here I have some frozen green grapes. I am going to add them in to the glass. Instead of ice we are using these frozen grapes, really good. And our sparkling water or soda. I am going to make the orange mocktail now. So it is very simple, you can name it your way, but simply we are going to take some orange juice, a touch of black salt, just a pinch. I am going to squeeze in a little bit of lemon juice just to help that citrusy flavor, and a little bit of sugar syrup. I am going to add in some ice cubes to the orange mocktail. You can add some orange segments inside as well if you wish to. Let's finish it off with some sparkling water. And for the last one, which is mango smoothie, very basic one, I'm going to take some yogurt in a jug. And I'm going to add in about a cup of mango puree to this. I'm going to add in a little bit of this powdered sugar and a scoop of ice cream. Here I have mango and berry ice cream, so you can add any one you wish for. Let me add a scoop and a half, makes things better. So the blender won't go inside the jug, I should have used a bigger one. No worries, I'm going to use this bowl now. After mixing it well, we're going to serve it in a glass, and you can top it up with some kesar if you wish to. And here are the 5 awesome drinks for you all. All of our drinks are ready and they are looking feast to the eyes and super refreshing. So I'm just thinking which one to go at first. I think I'll go with the strawberry one, and make sure you try this and let me know how does this go for you. And happy Holi, play safe and use organic colors, and of course make these colorful drinks and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye. Take care.